Welcome everyone to the Amoolah Keto and Low Carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite sweet treat, green sweet pudding. So straight into the ingredients. In a saucepan we will need 1 cup of your preferred no sugar milk. Today I'll be using 1 cup of no sugar almond milk. And then I'm going to add 3/4 of double cream. And then a 1/4 cup of your preferred keto appropriate sugar. Today I'll be using allulose. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of arrowroot with a 1/2 tablespoon of gelatine. Today I'll be using agar-agar. We will also need 1 ripe avocado and blend with an electric mixer. So this is the consistency that we are aiming for. After mixing, place your saucepan onto a stove top. And on a medium heat, mix your mixture till it bubbles and thickens. And when it starts to bubble, this is the time to turn off the heat and let it cool down. Our sweet green pudding is now ready. You can of course present it as how you like. Today I'll be using a wine glass and oval ramekins. And for the dessert garnish, I'm going to be using pistachios, and then I'm going to dust on some cinnamon and pure cacao. Please try it out and let me know what you think. Any questions, I'm happy to help. And until next time.